Hello and welcome to World Geography. It's great to see everyone here. I'm assuming that means that you got the Google Meet link in the email that I sent you this past week. And so you should have in that email, you should have gotten the Google Meet link for class each day, as well as the syllabus and a little bit of an introduction from me. You also should have gotten a class invitation to Google Classroom, and that is what today is going to be all about. So our objectives for today are going to be to review Google Classroom, show you how you will be turning in both of your assignments and your first two assignments for this class, and where to find the additional information for this class on Google Classroom. So those are our three objectives for today. So to start off with, you should have gotten an email that looked something like this from me. So again, from teacher, Mr. Aguirre, and you would go and click join. And there you go. And you should pop right into our World Geography classroom. A great feature that Google Classroom has added is the Google Meet. And so anytime you log into Google Classroom, you can go and you can join our class Google Meet. Remember, classes from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday through Friday. So, hey, get on at 8:50, log into Google Classroom, click join, and you'll be into class ready to get started. So first and foremost, this is the stream. And so the stream on Google Classroom is going to include everything. So it's going to include announcements from me as well as assignments. So I have pinned this announcement up at the top. And this has class information, when is class, and I've also attached the syllabus here. So the Google Meet links are there, all the other information, our units, everything. So this will always be at the top of the stream. So if you have questions about something, go and look here first. And if you don't find it, then you can always ask me, and you can find my email and other information on the syllabus here. So that's the stream. Classwork is going to be only your assignments, and we'll talk about your assignments after that, or after a little bit here, and what you'll do with those. So on the top of the stream, again, you have the syllabus. That's where you're going to find our class information. On the left, you have upcoming. It's going to be what's coming up due. And so your first two assignments are going to be SMART goals and your introduction video, digital citizenship. So again, this is like the student platform of Google Classroom. So I'll show you what you need to do in order to turn these in. So for the SMART goals, I have attached this worksheet. You will all get your own copy of this SMART goal worksheet. So you'll fill out the attached Google Doc with two SMART goals you have for the semester. Remember that a SMART goal must be specific, measurable, action-oriented, realistic, and timely. So you would click on the assignment, has some review there. You would type in, what goals you want. What do you want to do? Set a goal that's specific, and maybe say raise my social studies grade from last year, a B to an A. And obviously you would complete this, and then you would go back you would view the assignment. When you're done, again, this is your copy, so when you're done, you just go and click turn in, and that one's done. So for that, you have to fill out two SMART goals. Again, review what a SMART goal is. We've talked about that, and it has some help there for you. Complete your two SMART goals, and then submit that one. So that's really easy. For your other assignment, introduction video, digital citizenship, you're going to upload your videos into this assignment. So go view assignment, you can do this one of two ways. So if we'll go to add or create, and maybe you uploaded it to YouTube or you have it as a link, which is what I did. So I have a link. I'm going to go to the instructions for this assignment. I do my introduction on this. I give you the instructions for the assignment in this video. So when we're done here, you can go and watch the video and get the instructions there. So I'm going to share this with you. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to paste the link in. And now it's done. Okay. The other way that you can do that is, say you did it on your computer and it's in your downloads. You would just go to File. You could save it to your Google Drive. Maybe it's in your Google Drive. Or you may have to upload it from your computer, and you would go to Browse, and you would be able to look through your files, choose a file, and attach it that way. So that's your other option. And then once you put it in, make sure that you click Turn In, and you're done. So that's our 2 assignments to start off class this year. Again, this is where you need to be on Google Classroom every day. If anything, you should get on here and click Join to join our class Google Meet. We meet from 9 to 10 every day. If you're looking for information on when class is or what's going to be going on in class or grading, I have this pinned at the top of the stream, the syllabus, as well as other information. The stream's going to have all the announcements. Classwork is where you're going to view your assignments. Some assignments are going to have the assignments attached to them where you all get a copy. Those ones you just complete it and turn in. For ones like this, the introduction video, you're going to need to actually upload your video on your own, either from your computer, from your Google Drive, or input a link. And other than that, you can look at your grades on Google Classroom as well. If you have any questions on the assignments, just let me know. Or if you need help turning them in, my email's on the syllabus. You can join the meet, the one-on-one meet, or you can give me a phone call. So good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.